What if I said to you, you could make over $1 million in the next 10 years through property? Well, you might think that I'm probably just making it up. Let's have a look at something called the capital growth matrix, and let's see how realistic that could actually be. We're going to work off really conservative growth rates that we're going to work off less than what Australia has achieved over the last 80 years. 6% capital growth, whereas Australia has achieved over 7% over the last 80 to 100 years. Let's say you buy property one in year one. You save and you also get good growth from that one. And a couple of years down the track in year three, you buy your second investment property. So you get property number 2 in year 3. From the growth of those first two, combined with you saving further, we're able to get you your third property in year 5, and obviously then your fourth property in year 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4 properties over a 10-year period. As I said, at conservative growth rates of 6%, Australia has averaged over 7% over the last 80 years. In this example, over that 10-year period, you are going to generate over $1 million of capital growth, all the while the tenant, the renter, and the taxman is helping pay for your property portfolio.